Hi guys! Welcome. Ayan. Wait natin kasi kailangan kong ma-make sure na pwede kayo makapag-comment. And of course, wait natin if may mga darating na viewers. Ayan po. So again guys, of course, by means of introduction, ayoko na mag-assume na kilala nyo na ako agad. My name is Robbie po. Of course, I'm working for Steadfast Services for the last 6 years na. So, technically, I'm one of the consultants or clients relations executive for Steadfast. And it's my scheduled day to do the live publicly po in our main page. So, ayan. So, kamusta po ang lahat? Wait natin till the time na magkaroon ng viewers. You guys can actually share existing clients ng Steadfast na nandito. You can actually share the live. Kasi I know you guys have been waiting for me to do the live since yesterday na nag-live tayo dun sa main page. And then at the same time din po, kung sino yung may mga concern, this is actually a free open forum po. So, any concerns? Congratulations, Sir Aldrin! Oh my God! And by the way, guys, just to start off also, my WhatsApp number, 050-151-2701, is currently temporary lang naman, out of service. So, you guys cannot message me on that number. So, the link below is there, guys. The link below for my new WhatsApp number is attached. So, if may mga concern kayo, you can message me directly on the other number. And, of course, any concerns po, sasagutin ko naman yan. Alam nyo naman po yan. So, at the same time din po, that's my new WhatsApp number. Just click on it. It's actually pinned also on the, you can see it on the comment pinned on top of or below. I'm not sure kung paano nyo siya makikita, but it's actually pinned po. So, yan, Sir Aldrin, congratulations. Sana nga si Ma'am Christy din, but unfortunately, hindi namin nakuha ang matamis na oo for Ma'am Christy. We will just try again. At hindi ko din nasasagot yung mga messages nyo, guys, kasi I was actually, as I've said, my other number is temporarily closed as of the moment. I'm not sure what is actually happening, but I cannot access it right now. So, I have the other number which I'm using for the other applicant. So, you guys have the link below and just click it and then you can message me guys at any time po. Ayan. So, again, congratulations po sa lahat ng mga nagka-visa. Kaila Sir Aldrin, kaila Ma'am Phoebe, kaila Sir kaila Sir Roderick, ayan. And then, sino pa ba yung mga nagka-visa recently? And then, pumunta dito si Ma'am April from UAE. Later on, pag allowed na kaming i-post siya, or pag pwede na siya, kasi kailangan niya munang mag-resign sa company, then we would upload, of course, the testimony and the client po. Kasi alam ko naman na yun yung mga hinihintay ng karamihan, especially sa mga UAE applicants po. And then, at the same time, sino pa ba yung mga nagkaroon? And then sila Ma'am Noemi, ayan, si Sir Chucky from Kuwait, si Ma'am Noemi from Taiwan. Congratulations to you guys. I'm really super happy naman na nakuha nyo na yung visa. And of course, sa mga naghihintay pa po ng results nila, just wait patiently you guys. We'll get it also. And focus lang muna tayo sa documentation. Okay po? Good afternoon kay Ma'am Cheche. Hello po sa inyo. So, pasensya na. Alam ko medyo maaga yung live ko. I think na later on pa magiging active yung iba kasi nasa work pa sila. So, I know na hindi pa masyadong magiging yung live ko for today. So, if you guys want, just inform everyone that I'm live. Kasi later on, meron akong mga scheduled meetings at 4 p.m. pababa. So, talagang medyo ko, baka hindi ako makapag-live today if i-ano ko pa later on in the evening. So, you guys can actually message here. So, share it with the whole, Steadfast fam, existing clients. And of course, sa mga bago po, sa mga interested po mag-apply, we have the new job order po right now. Sasagutin ko yung mga comments. Just wait for a while. So, we have new job orders right now. So, we have the job order po for car parts manufacturing, car parts and accessories po. which is a big company talaga. It's having at least 200 branches po across Poland. And more on stocks, quality control, and inventory ng mga kotse. So, this is gonna be much more interesting sa mga lalaki. Especially pag ang mga gusto nyong hawakan is mga BMW, ganyan. I think they would post it kung ano yung mga companies. But yung mga companies na holding ng mga ganitong type of cars, hold on, it's actually, okay. So, yeah. So, mga cars and motorcycle po, like Alfa Romeo, Audi, BMW, Citroen, Fiat, Ford, Peugeot, Renault, Skoda, which is, I think it's a European brand, Volvo, Volkswagen, of course, and Wizestiki. Yun yung mga ano nila. And then, for motorcycle, it's Bosch, Bridgestone, yung mga mga accessories and car parts, Nexen, Uniroyal, Michelin for the tires, etc. So, maganda din yung salary package for this. It's actually very, very high. It's 28.5 zlotys per hour kasi medyo mabigat yung work because of course, it's car parts. So, talagang talaga siya sa mga male applicants na gusto pong interested po to have this type of job. It's 28.5 PLN per hour. Salary po is coming around 4,700 PLN po. That's the basic gross salary. So, papalo siya ng 4,400 siguro sa neto. And then, at the same time din po, accommodation is free. Yun pa yung maganda. Accommodation is free talaga. So, yung mga gastusin nyo na lang sa bahay, yun yung maganda pong package. So, yung mga gastusin nyo na lang sa bahay, yung kailangan yung i-worry. And then, this is highly recommended for male applicants po. At the same time, kasi very urgent yung hiring ng car parts manufacturer. Hindi ko kasi masabi yung company name Pero they are a big company. Malaking contribution sila ng cars and car parts across Europe. Which is, dun din namin nakuha yung job order namin for the other country na ino-offer namin dun sa private page. So, hopefully you guys, if you are interested, so the cost only for the car parts manufacturing or car parts warehouse is only 7,000 dirhams po. And that's only for Filipinos who are physically fit. Kailangan po na malakas tayo. Pwede naman din siya sa female, pero much more preferred sa lalaki kasi mabigat talaga yung work. We want to be very transparent about that. Just imagine that you would be barcoding big tires and of course yung mga hoods, yung mga car parts, and of course, kung car enthusiast ka, siguro maybe you would enjoy kasi malalaking brands talaga siya. But if hindi nyo kaya yung workload, if you think physical job in terms of ganitong kalaking massive production, then I suggest for you guys not to apply. But if you are very much willing to do the physical job, especially male applicants, right? And also females na gusto po or willing naman sila for physical job, I think this would be very, very highly sa inyo later on. And then, at the same time din po, of course, it's only 7,000 dirhams, one-go payment option if you guys are interested. And, of course, payment would only be done after you sign the offer letter. And once you accept, you are accepted for the job. So, ganun naman ang sistema ni Steadfast. So, I would be reading some few comments muna before tayo mag-start. So, okay, let's start with Ma'am Maika. Ang ganda mo today, Ma'am Rob. Pengin na isang slot. So, I think Dayan would be the one distributing that. So, dapat si Dayan po ang bulahin nyo. Ako'y taga-announce lang ng, anong tawag doon? Ng mga information natin, ng magandang balita. Ako lang naman po ay taga-announce lang. At the end of the day, si Dayan ang kailangan yung i-PM. Lang yun, PM is the key. And then kay Ma'am Joyce, ano po ang topic? Ang topic natin right now actually is the new job order. Very important. New job order na meron kami, which is yun nga, the car parts manufacturing or car parts, cars and car parts, what do you call this? Warehouse po. Yeah, parang siya, distributors. And then, at the same time, of course, yung mga applicants, mga DH applicants namin, you guys know what the other program for you, what the other option is for you. You just need to PM Dayan in regards with the same. Dapat meron kayong NBI apostille, so that you guys can actually do. Kasi pag in-announce ko dito kung ano yung country na yon, madaming mag-i-inquire na bago. So, that's why, binibigay muna namin sa existing. So, binibigay na nga namin sa inyo, wag nyo na akong ipa-announce dito. Kasi pag nag-announce ako dito, dagsa talaga yung magre-request ng job order na yon. So, binibigay muna namin exclusivity sa Steadfast Fam. Just give your NBI clearance and documents to Diane. And she will do it accordingly po. I think the deadline is still Sunday, right? So, hanggang Sunday lang. Kasi Monday, kailangan na naming simulan. So, for that country, kailangan po mabigay nyo yung NBI clearance tsaka digital photo nyo, magpa-picture na kayo, yung talagang yung talagang legit na 2x2 photo, hindi pwede yung nag-selfie lang kayo sa wall. And then, bigay nyo lahat kay Diane para dun sa first 50 slot for that country po. I cannot say kasi alam ko, pag lumaganap to sa karamihan, madaming mag-i-inquire. So, unahin po muna namin kayo. And then, hello po kay Ma'am Rose Ann, watching from Taiwan. Hello po sa inyo. Kay Ma'am Mimay Fernandez, ano po ang next step pag nakuha ng work permit? Pag nakuha niyo na po ang work permit, guys, you need to contact Diane or Danica. I think they are in touch with you. You need to give your client information form so that they would be able to put you in the draw or else schedule your appointment and fill your application forms based on kung ano dun sa napag-usapan. And of course, to go for the next step includes the visa stamping po. Kay Ma'am Andel Landicho, hello Ma'am Robbie, paano po pag mag-expire ng VP tas wala pa ding schedule ng visa? Saan ka ba naka-based po para at least mag-guide ka namin for the same? As I've said, Saudi, Kuwait, Qatar applicants, if you are not domestic helpers, you know what the other option is. I don't know why you guys keep asking again and again in the live. We have given you the options to choose from so that you guys will not be stopped for the appointments po. So, if for example that you are not a domestic helper and you guys know the means on how to do the process, then I highly suggest po that you contact Diane for the second option po kasi dun talaga namin nakuha lahat ng mga approved cases namin. Okay, and then kay Sir RV, nice naman ma'am, tugma sana sa pinag-aralan ko sa TESDA, but unfortunately you got the other job. So, this new job of car parts po is only recently given to us. The job order was recently given to us last May 6 and we need to fulfill the job order by the end of the month. That's why very, very urgent siya. And we are just, of course, announcing it here kasi same job order we got for that country. Kaya po namin nakuha yung job order na yon. So, guys, if you are interested, let us know. So, you just need to submit the following documents: passport, CV or resume, and of course, your residence ID. Yes, Ma'am Jed, matagal po ang process sa HK. We actually don't accept HK applicants na po, maliban na lang kung may experience kayo sa factory or other experiences po apart from DH. If you don't have other experiences apart from DH, Steadfast is not actually entertaining po. And then kay Ma'am Melanie Actoso, good day sa lahat po. Yes, it's day pa. Hindi kayo sanay na day ako nagla-live. Normally, and patapos ng araw yung live ko. Ayan, kay Ma'am Grace na nakaalis na sa Sokchakso. Oh my God. Ayan, so congratulations. Ma'am, inform mo ako kung saan ka na designate. I hope, wag mo masyadong galingan sa English, Ma'am Grace. Pag tinanong ka good English, sabihin mo hindi para hindi ka mapunta sa Peking. Ayan, so dun kasi si Sir napunta sa returns eh. Si Ma'am Mikey, ayan, malapit na po yung flight nyo. Very, very na po sila sa inyo. Good day po din. So, very, very needed na ng mga tao kasi season na, guys. It's already spring and summer time in Poland. So, basically, sandamakbak na yung season ng workload talaga. So, dito mas madaming oras ng trabaho. So, natatawa nga ako kung sa isang client ko, kausap ko nung, pwede ko bang ipangalanan? Baka maano eh. So, basta kausap ko yung isang client ko, I was asking kung kamusta sila and everything. Kasi ganun naman ako. Pag client ko, kahit naka-dispatch na kayo doon, I normally message and ask kung kamusta na talaga sila. Or else, pag nakikita ko na medyo concerning yung sitwasyon, like, kunyari, super pumayat na doon sa picture, ganyan. So, chinecheck ko talaga. And then yun, tinanong ko kung kamusta and everything to. So, sinabi naman nila straight shift sila ngayon. And also, mas madami daw yung working hours kasi doon naman talaga kayo kikita kasi per hourly basis talaga doon. Apart from the 8 hours work, talagang per hourly basis kayo. Yun nga lang, as I've said, it's a physical job po. So, it's not like naman that na hindi kayo compensated sa hours of work nyo. So, nasa sa inyo na lang talaga kasi yung pagod talaga grabe. Pero yun nga, nakikita kayo. Kay Ma'am Jen Galon, ask po ako sa WP ulit if meron na po. Unfortunately, we haven't gotten any new permits yet. Since last April 25 lumabas yung unang 55 eh. So maybe this month po may mga lalabas na anytime soon kasi yun yung sabi sa amin, nag-notify na daw sa kanila. So they just need to collect or wait for the post office to deliver yung mga original work permits, and of course we will provide or we will announce it immediately po. On time naman tayo lahat, guys. So normally naman work permit namin is issued within 3 to 4 months. And at the same time, we have a maximum time frame, but normally 3 to 4 months po. And then kay Sir Warren, one-time payment po is 7,000 dirhams. And then, for example po na nag-go kayo doon, normally po the process is 7 to 9 months po, maximum of 10 months. Pero, depende kasi sa iyo yun. Dahil may dalawang option kami for the visa stamping. And if you are interested po to do the same, then dapat agreeable kayo dun sa second way namin. Kasi for example, na hindi kayo nakakuha ng appointment sa agad-agad, kung for example 2 months na hindi pa kayo nakakakuha ng appointment, then we request the applicant to go for the second option po. Then I suggest also that you submit your CV, passport and resume, and then your residence ID para ma-check natin kung eligible tayo for the process. Mabilis lang naman siya. 3 stages of the process is of course to check if you are eligible. So you need to submit first your documents for approval. Once you get the approval po from our employer side, we will give you the offer letter with the terms and conditions of your employment. Once everything is clear po, pipirmahan nyo lang po si offer letter, isasend nyo sa amin pabalik. And then, that's the time lang po na magbabayad kayo pag malinis na po talaga yung agreement natin. And of course, confirmed po talaga yung trabaho. So, once naman po na nakapag-sign na kayo, work permit normally, and of course, nakapag-payment, work permit normally is issued within 3 to 4 months, maximum of 5 to 6 months. If we cannot provide the work permit on time, 100% refundable po yung binayad nyo. But as I've said, we cannot control the appointments po in the embassy, especially because sila yung nagbibigay ng appointments kung saan man kayo nagre-reside, but we have a different way to do it and we are offering it to you guys if you are interested. At the same time, domestic helpers without any other prior experiences na hindi domestic helper cannot apply with us. Why? It's not like that na hindi namin ganun dahil sa profession nyo. It's not like that. As I've said multiple times in my life, you guys, domestic helpers, are the most hardworking people I know. Partly also, may mga family members ako na domestic helpers. It's not like that na dahil sa profession nyo is hindi kayo qualified. No, it's not like that. You guys are very much qualified for the same. It's just that it's difficult for us to get the visas for you guys kasi naghihigpit sila sa inyo. So, hindi namin makuha man namin yung trabaho, yung work permit, but the appointment nakukuha din namin, but getting the approved visa is getting to be very, very challenging for us, for domestic helpers po, na walang prior other experience apart from DH po. So, yun talaga. And then, at the same time po, of course, asa na yung question na isa? And then, magkano po bigay ng car parts? Car parts po is actually 28.5 PLN, 28.5, 28.9, 28.5 PLN po, yung bigay ng car parts po. Si Ma'am Shymore, good afternoon Ma'am Rob, hello din po sa inyo, pahay po kay Ma'am D at sa Steadfast Pampo, love, approve ang friend ko Ma'am. Yes! Si Ma'am ano na lang talaga, na-shocket naman talaga, oh my God. Hindi ko naman talaga mawari. Ano ba talaga dapat gawin? Hindi ko din pero yes, si Sir Aldrin is actually approved. Congratulations talaga. Ayan. Ano po ang hiring po, ma'am? Salamat. May painter building, ma'am Pipe Peter, dito sa Qatar. Salamat po. Maayong hapon man, sir. God bless din po. Ayong hapon man sa inyo, sir. Actually, May mga work po kami right now for car parts po. If interested po kayo for cars and car parts, manufacturing and warehouse staff, so quality control, inventory, ganyan. So distributors ng mga cars. So if you're interested, Sir Danny, you can just give us the waiting for the big announcement. Oo, wait lang talaga guys. I-announce din namin pero hindi ko ma-announce yung country ha. Kasi pag in-announce ko, GG talaga tayo. So, guys, alam nyo naman kung ano yung other program namin. We are still offering it first to the existing clients ng Steadfast because you guys are most important to us. Right? Mga Steadfast fam, kayo naman ang pinaka-importanting matapos namin sa lahat. So, if you guys are interested to change or yung mga DH po na stock tayo, na nakuha namin before kami mag-stop because of the situation, you guys can PM Dayan. I would discuss here the jobs and everything about that country. Just wait for a little bit po. Let's save the best for last, right? And then you can ask questions po after that. Hold on for a sec po. So again guys, re-remind ko lang kayo, my other number 0501512701 is not actually active right now. There's having some technical difficulties that we need to fix first. So now my new WhatsApp number is attached for your reference and perusal. So you guys can message me. The link is below also. Just click the link. It would send you directly to my WhatsApp account and you can message me anything, any concerns. As long as hindi bastos, guys, I would be very, very happy to reply to you and of course to give you my free consultation sa mga bago and of course sa mga luma and existing. You guys know that I'm reachable. Very, very reachable at all times. Ayan. So, ayun po. Kay Ma'am Makit Shera. Hi, Ma'am. I'm interested po. Are you other nationality or are you a Filipino po? Ayan. So, if you are from Philippines, we can actually do the process for you. Philippines, Vietnamese, Thailander, Malaysian, we can actually process for them. Okay po. Ma'am Roseanne, I can guide you for the renewal po. Just message me on my WhatsApp, my new WhatsApp, or on my messenger. Just message me, I will give you the details po for the renewal. Kay Ma'am Grace, si Sisi Love ko, yes. Soonest, magkakasama din po kayo. Pinangako ko sa iyo, Ma'am Grace, na hindi kami susuko. Ayan. And then kay Sir Mons Santos, may job vacancy kayo for Grace. Wala po, caregiver. Wala po kaming caregiver right now or any nursing, medical assistant, or any medical field related jobs. We don't offer those type of jobs po as of the moment po. And then kay Ma'am Dina, hello po sa inyo. Good afternoon po. Ayan. And then, hello to my Steadfast fam and to my beautiful mentor, Ma'am Robbie. Kay Ma'am Pats, ano, kailan ka na, Ma'am Pats? Napag-anuhan nyo na ba ni Dayan? Naplanuhan nyo na ba? Hi ma'am, good afternoon. Asawa po ako ni Sir Ronaldo Conanan. On air siya ngayon, mamaya lapag niya, 7:30 PH time. Paki-guide na lang pagdating niya doon. Salamat. No worries, Ma'am Nora. We are very, very much aware of his, of his arrival in PH, I think. May schedule na si Sir Ronaldo Conanan, right?
Natawagan ko na yun kahapon.
Okay. So, tinawagan na din ni Dee. So, don't worry, Ma'am Nora. We will guide for sure 100% po. So, just let us know once he reached, mag-rest muna siya, and then you can message again to follow up with the things po. Hi ma'am, I'm one of your clients po. Can I transfer to this job to car parts since this is urgent job offer from employer? I'm from Malaysia po, thank you. Unfortunately, any candidates po namin na meron ng job offer from another company na nagsa-start na po ng application namin, we cannot transfer you guys. Kasi at the same time po, under process na po yung application nyo, or if you guys have already the other work permit, makakasuhan kami ng other employer. So we cannot transfer you kasi magkakaibang employers yan. Hindi po lang iisa. So we cannot transfer because your work permit is completely different with the work permit of the car parts po. So yes, we do have the car parts or cars distributors. As I've said, it's a new company, a very, very big company, very well known in Poland. Distributing car parts and cars accessories, etc. across Europe po, not only Poland. Actually, kaya nga namin nakuha yung other country program. So, may nakuha kaming isang Shenzhen country na program. Tatapusin lang namin sa existing and then we will offer it to others if mabibigyan ulit kami ng job slot. So, alam nyo naman yon. And then, at the same time din po, kay Sir Alden, hello po sa inyo. Kay Ma'am Linmar, Salosha, Max Silom, have a great day po ma'am, nag-chat po ako sa inyo sa WhatsApp. Thanks. Yeah, just send the WhatsApp po. There's the link below. You can message me. That's my new WhatsApp po. Register din yan under Steadfast. Same thing din po, yung register din yung other number. But the thing is that it doesn't have WhatsApp as of the moment because of some technical issues. Sa daming messages na nare-receive ko everyday, I think it got broken na. Nakalas na talaga. So, that's why. So, just message me on my new WhatsApp. And then, Ma'am Rose, Jessa, sana nasabi na walang option na kasambay para hindi na kami napasubo mag-apply. Sayang lang po. Hanggang inabutan na lang kami ng expiration ng mga work permit namin. Okay, so Ma'am Rose, as you are very much well aware, this new rule for the domestic helpers po just happened to be launched or just happened to be done starting ng December 2023 till date. So, hindi naman po, at that time, we are actually getting visas for other domestic helpers. It's not like that we did not get the visas for you. Kaya nga kayo nag-apply kasi may mga kakilala kayo na domestic helpers na sa amin din naman nanggaling and sa amin din nakakuha ng approved visas, right? So, pare-parehas tayo guys na hindi natin na-anticipate na magkakaroon na mahihigpitan yung mga domestic helpers. Hindi nyo ginusto yon, hindi din namin ginusto yon. Pero, at the same time, we found other ways for you guys so that later on, which is slowly naman namin ginagawa, which is kailangan nyo lang talaga ng patience and understanding kasi magagawa naman namin. Nabigla lang din kami dun sa changes na hindi na kayo binibigyan ng approved cases. So, dun namin na-realize na puro domestic helpers yun ng mga nare-refuse. And we are also giving, nagbibigay din kami ng linaw sa lahat kahit hindi pa namin client or sa mga nag-aano po, it's very difficult right now for domestic helpers to apply. That's why we stop hiring. Buti sana, Ma'am Rose, kung alam naman namin, tapos kumuha pa din kami. Pero the moment that we found out that domestic helpers cannot actually get it, yung talagang solid na domestic helper lang, we stop. And you guys know about it as well. So, I don't know, parang hindi nyo naman alam na may group naman tayo dun sa isa, meron naman tayong private group. So, dun ko naman in-inform lahat nung nagkaroon ng changes, nung nagkaroon ng mga difficulties. Nag-update kami agad dun sa group and we gave other options. We tried multiple options as much as we can for domestic helpers. Especially nung nag-start silang maghigpit sa inyo this year po. So, this is only just this year. Buti sana kung kumuha pa kami after that. But no, we are trying to finish everyone as much as we can. So, that's why we are not getting domestic helpers right now without other experience po apart from being a domestic helper. As I've said, disclaimer po, hindi po yun about sa job nyo na meron kayo right now. It's not about because you're a domestic helper and we don't want to take you. Unang-unang marangal na trabaho yan. It's a very honorable job. You are taking care of other families instead of your own. And it's a very, very noble job. It's just that naghigpit sa inyo not only Philippines but also the rest embassies po because of some certain situation. So as I've said again, it's not something that we have anticipated because we were able to give the visas for lots of domestic helpers last year. And only this year lang tayo nagkaroon ng ganitong problema which we are actually finding solutions for. Because at the end of the day, we are taking responsibility naman po as much as we can. Even if sobra-sobra na nga sometimes. So, yun lang naman yung sa side namin. And you guys know about this. We normally post every week, twice a week. Nagla-live naman ako dun sa main page natin to update the domestic helpers. And of course, to give you guys updates. So, aware naman kayong lahat dito. And then of course, that is only for domestic helpers, guys. But for the others, you guys know the other option, how to get the visa. You would get it as well as long as you follow our rules and regulations, our documentations. You would get the visa naman. So, if hindi kayo domestic helper, then it's your time to shine, guys. Yun lang naman yun ngayon. Kasi, panapanahon lang naman yan eh. As I've said, I have been working in this type of industry for the last 6 years. Ika-7th year ko na this coming June or August. Ika-7th year ko na kasi renewal ko na ng July eh. So, ika-ano ko na, ika-7th year ko na yon. Pagkapalo ko ng 7th year, kailangan ko ulit mag-renew sa Steadfast ng 2 years. So, hindi ko nga sure kung ano eh. Hindi, joke lang. Siyempre, magre-renew ako. Tinatakot ko lang kayo. Ito naman mga to. So, of course, I will be renewing my contract. You guys would still see me for the next 2 years. Always naman ako nagre-renew. Wala kayong dapat ikaw-worry dyan. And at the same time, of course, I know how the things goes when it comes to immigration. So, there are changes talaga. Lots of changes. Every time, every year, immigration law changes every year. It's not like that na every time same pa din. Even not only for Europe, but also for Canada, UK, US, etc. And, of course, it changes based on the economic condition or based on the situation that they have seen during the time na nag-hire sila in specific of that country or of that profession po. So, we know that this is something that would, of course, suddenly happen na kailangan naming maging prepared din and kailangan niya ding maging prepared na kailangan yung i-follow yung other options namin kasi immigration law can change anytime they want. If they decided not to take people from outside, they would do that, of course. If they decided that they would be very strict when it comes to the approval of the visas for domestic helpers position, they would do that as well. Right? If they decided also to get Polo verified contracts, which is what we are actually doing right now, then we need to comply to that. It's not like that nakala nyo lang, pag nag-apply na kayo, magically, you would get the visa. No, it's not like that. You need to coordinate or you need to cooperate also with your consultant kasi kaya nyo nga kami binayaran para masolusyonan namin yung mga bagay na ganun. Pero kung hindi naman kayo susunod sa solusyon namin, paano kayo magkakavisa? Kaya nyo nga kami binayaran kasi alam nyo na alam namin yung ginagawa namin, di ba? So, you trust us to do the things for you guys. So, we are finding ways despite of the rule changes po. It's not like that we are saying na wala na tayong magagawa. We are giving you other options, other solutions, and you guys need to follow that. Kasi, parehas lang naman din tayong hindi aware dun sa changes sa embassy. Kasi bibiglain talaga tayo dyan. And guys, all of these things are in your contract. So, at the same time, ang mahalaga lang is matapos namin yung process nyo on that time frame. So, yun lang naman yung pag may any changes, nakalagay din dun sa contract kasi namin, if there's any changes in the embassy, kailangan nyo kaming pagbigyan sa time frame na na-change yun. Kasi, kailangan namin siyang i-fix para magkaroon kayo ng other options or other ways para makuha nyo yung visa. So, yun lang naman yung nire-request ni Steadfast. At the end of the day, natatapos naman namin lahat ng trabaho eh. And especially, of course, buti na lang yung mga Taiwan applicants. Thank you so much po talaga. Especially sa mga Taiwan applicants ko. My God, napakagaling nyo po talaga. Alam ko naman na napakahirap nung ginawa nyo. Pero thank you so much for the cooperation kasi Taiwan win streak talaga kami this month. Or last month pa. So, karamihan ng nagka-visa po talaga is Taiwan applicants po. As of the moment. And Saudi. Most of them are Saudi and Taiwan. Kung makikita nyo yung page namin right now. And then of course, sa mga applicants po na gusto din gawin yon, you can actually do it. It's not gonna be a... Yun nga lang talaga, medyo may inconvenience. But at the end of the day, 96 to 98% you guys will get the visa po. That is, nandun talaga. As long as you follow our rules, as long as you follow our documentations, as long as you follow our instruction, you guys would get it, of course, by the end of the day. And then, kay Ma'am Rai, hello po. Kamusta po? Okay naman ako. Medyo stress lang, sabi din ng ibang clients. Yung mga pumunta dito. And then, actually, kanina nandito din si Ma'am April, one of our UAE applicants who got the visa. And she was saying the same thing. Very sympathetic nga siya pagdating sa amin. But yeah, she got the visa and then she just came here to discuss kung kailan siya lilipad. So again, congratulations, Ma'am April, for getting the visa. And then, kayo po, kamusta po ba kayo? Kamusta kayong lahat? I hope everyone is okay. And at the same time, safe and sound. And also, chill. dun sa good news, sabi ko nga po, starting 50 muna tayo for the good news and then later on move natin siya. And then kay Sir Jepot, watching from Macau, hello po. Kay Sir Chris Montero, congratulations watching from PH. Kailan ka ba babalik? We are very, very much looking forward. If you guys want to also drop by here in Dubai, let us know. Nag-enjoy kami na makasama yung mga clients namin last time. We had dinner and everything with the clients before their departure to Poland. So, very, very happy naman. I hope makadaan din yung iba. Kasi sasabak talaga kayo sa culture shock. Pagdating nyo sa Poland, ganito yon. Baka kasi na ano kayo. Pero in reality, which is, again, i-inform ko kayo, you are going there starting from scratch. You cannot expect the same comfortability that you are having for 20 years, 15 years in Saudi Arabia or in Taiwan or in Dubai or in Qatar or in Kuwait. You cannot expect the same comfortability na meron kayo sa country na yon for so many years because you are already experienced there. Tapos, syempre, fresher kayo sa Poland. So, you would really face difficulty in adjustments. Syempre, malulungkot ka kasi hindi pa kayo sanay sa bansa na yon. And then, culture shock because there's lots of things na different doon, right? Sa mga pagkain, iba din yung food nila doon, iba din yung, kumbaga, yung way ng relationship doon, interrelationships. So, there would be lots of changes talaga that would really affect you. Hindi lang yung trabaho. Trabaho, madali lang eh. But adjusting in a new country, in a new environment, is the one of the challenges na nafe-face ng mga clients namin. And gusto ko talagang i-impart yun sa karamihan kasi sometimes, excited talaga sila. Excited talaga kayo. But at the end of the day, I want to make sure that alam nyo talaga yung papasukin nyo. Especially, ang kinukuha namin kasi is kahit wala kayong experience, we are getting applicants even if you don't have experience in the factory, in the warehouse, etc. May training naman kasi and everything. It's just that, ang ano po talaga nun is, kailangan nyo din mag-adjust sa culture. Kasi yun, hindi talaga namin yun control. Nasa sa inyo talaga, nasa tao talaga yun kung makakapag-adjust po kayo for the same. Kasi, kaya namin ibigay yung work, yes, yung process, visa, etc. But adjusting in a new country and being able to work in a physical job, lalo na kung office kayo, yan, office job kayo or mga nasa admin department kayo, ang laking adjustment talaga nun. Nakita ko, may mga client ako, nakita ko na 32 dati ang bewang, 26 na ngayon, sexy na. May mga client ako na pumayat din, na wala yung mga dad bod, naging sexy din. So, that is because the diet, different kasi yung food doon. And then also at the same time, the environment. And then most of the time kasi walking kasi sila doon. So, if for example na medyo malapit yung workplace nyo sa accommodation, sadyang may mga ganong sitwasyon na magwo-walking kayo like 30 minutes walk, 20 to 30 minutes walk. Then meron naman po na pag malayo yung accommodation nyo, like talagang kailangan i-bus, so may mga transportation provided po. So ganun po siya. And then at the same time din po, it's very, very open din naman na madami din kayong makakasalamuhan na other nationalities na straightforward na hindi katulad nating mga Pilipino. So, yun yung mga bagay na kailangan nyo talagang magbagay sa inyong linaw. It's not only about the job. Sometimes kasi, yung mga ganong bagay, hindi din namin makontrol. May mga applicants kasi na okay lang sa kanila. That they are very, very much sanay sa ganong work and everything. May mga tao naman na hindi sila sanay. And yun yung talagang mako-culture shock talaga sila. Wherein, hindi kami aware na kailangan pala din namin i-discuss pati yung culture ng country. Pero kasi, sabi nga ng karamihan, nasa tao kasi yun. Kung paano nyo, ang sa amin lang naman, ang ino-offer lang naman namin is yung trabaho, yung magkaroon ka ng residence sa Poland, proper yung documentation nyo, magka-visa kayo, proper na trabaho, yung sahod. Yun lang yung sa amin, at saka yung package. Pero yung pag-a-adjust nyo, and everything, we can only sympathize. Pero we know kasi, we have been very open, very vocal that it's a physical job, that the culture is different, malamig doon, especially pag winter. and all these things. And normally, if I can upload here all the recordings of my Zoom meeting, to be honest with you, ang sagot sa akin ng lahat, basta lang kunin ko sila, is either wala naman pong madaling trabaho, kayang-kaya naman po yan, natiis ko nga po dito sa Saudi ng ganito katagal, natiis ko nga po na 24 hours po akong magtrabaho sa employer ko, lalo na nung dahil may amo ako na ganito, ganyan. Meron na, excited ako sa snow, pero nung nakita yung snow, parang 3 days, 4 days lang, na-depressed na. So, I can actually attest to this point that we have been very vocal about it, even on the Zoom, even everywhere. Talaga naman very vocal kami. Nag-post na nga kami dito sa page namin ng mga dapat nyong asahan pag nag-migrate kayo. But, at the end of the day, we understand na masisisi at masisisi kami kasi kami yung nag-process ng documents eh. Like, for example, pag malungkot sila, syempre, sino bang masisisi? Kami, kasi kami yung nag-process eh, kami yung naghikayat na pumunta. Pero sa amin, as I've said, we have been very honest about it. So, depende talaga yun sa mindset ng tao. May mga candidates naman kami or may mga applicants naman kami na naging masaya naman sila. And okay naman sila kasi yung workload is okay sa kanila. Kumbaga nakasanayan nila, yung mga nagtrabaho talaga sa mga retail, yung mga nagtrabaho talaga sa Taiwan as factory workers, or yung may mga experience talaga sa warehouse, doon wala kaming narinig. Or kunyari sa restaurant, for example, may mga restaurant applicant kami na dinala namin doon, wala kaming narinig sa kanila. So, because they are very much aware na, at saka sanay sila sa ganung trabaho. And when we were explaining, alam na nila kasi natrabaho na nila before. Unlike sa mga other applicants na hindi sanay sa ganung work. Especially pag galing kayong hotel, galing kayong as a concierge, as ano, sobrang ano talaga sa inyo. But as I've said, you will make us only as a stepping stone. After some time, if you want to go to other jobs, if you want to jump to Italy, Spain, kasi gano'n naman ginagawa ng mga applicants namin, basta magpaalam lang kayo. So, pwedeng-pwede naman. Just make sure that you would ask for permission, you would render 1 month notice period, and do not run away. Kasi kayo ang mamamroblema niyan. So, ganon. So, at the same time, we actually have the program, Sir Daddy Mark. May mga programs kami na other countries, but the thing is that we are not offering it to others kasi we are giving it to the existing. Actually, madami kaming JO ngayon, pero hinihingi ng existing. And we don't want to give, we don't want, kasi ang only problem namin with other country programs like Croatia, other countries like Hungary, etc., it's that we don't have any control kasi. So, yun yung isa sa mga problema namin na, for example, unlike sa Poland, pag may nangyari sa work permit nyo or pag may may kailangan kaming i-modify or may kailangan kaming gawin, kayang-kaya namin gawin. Guys, baka naman nakakalimutan nyo, 98% ng clients namin nagkaka-visa. Out of everyone. Pag nag-a-apply kami ng 30 na visa, 3 or marami na yung 4. Pag nare-reject sa isang buwan. At pag yun na-reject pa na yun, in fairness pag nag-appeal kami, nakakakuha naman sila. So it's not like our program, Poland program of Steadfast is hindi malakas. We can actually do the things for you guys if you would just follow our side. But the thing is that for DH, wala talaga kaming magawa dun. Kaya binigay namin sa kanila yung job order namin ng other countries like Croatia and yung isang country na hindi ko mabanggit kasi pag binanggit ko, for sure, madaming gusto mag-apply doon. Pero dahil ibibigay muna namin yun sa mga existing client ng Steadfast, so, hindi po muna namin ina-announce. Done favor naman ako, babe. Papalitan naman po ako ng cord. Ayan. So, yun lang. So, huwag nyo isipin na hindi kami malakas sa Poland kasi actually, yun nga yung pinakamadami naming visa na kaya naming kontrolin. We can control the time frame, everything, etc. For this, kumbaga, meron lang kaming onting ungot, kaya namin solusyonan at least within the whole 7 to 10 days. Or else within 24 to 48 hours, pag merong mga concern, kundi man maximum na yung 7 to 10 days, kaya naming solusyonan. Pero pag binigyan nyo kami ng Croatia, ganyan, yung mga other countries, hindi namin control. Pag sinabi ng employer na madedelay pa ako ulit ng isa pang buwan, wala kaming magawa kasi hawak nila eh. Hindi katulad sa amin na kami talaga nagpa-process everything for Poland. Lahat talaga, from A to Z, kami yung may hawak nun. Pati yung employer, sa amin may tiwala, may SPA, may special power of attorney sa mga lawyers namin sa Poland para asikasuhin namin kayo at kunin namin kayo. So, lahat ng documentation namin solid pagdating sa Poland. It's just that nahihirapan lang kami sa appointment and of course, sa mga DH. Pero may other means naman kami for that. So, if you guys are interested for the same, then you can do that as well. At least amin, sureable yun. As long as you are qualified for the job, you can speak English. Please lang yung direct English talaga. Oo, nakakapagsalita. Minsan kasi, sinasabi, yes, nakakapagsalita ng English. Tapos pagdating na dun sa interview, kasi sometimes may mga interview sa embassy, right? Pagdating sa interview, hindi na makasagot. So, may mga ganong scenario kasi tatanungin at tatanungin naman kayo. So, ayan. So, it's not like that, guys. Actually, very malakas yung Poland namin. Nawalan na kami ng choice for, for DH. Yun lang talaga. And then, of course, ano yung next question? Wait lang. Nawawala na yung mga question nyo, guys. Hold on for a sec. Actually, sa Pinas, very, very much over na kami. Guys, sorry, sobrang nawawala na kayo. Wait. Ma'am Weki, kailan ka mag-i-start ng ng polo mo? Nag-submit na si Ma'am Ange?
Wala pa. Sa next week.
Sa next week pa. Hintayin na lang natin siya.
Pero baka plano nila mauna daw sila.
Mauna na si Ma'am Weki. Nag-start na sila?
Wala pa. Mag-meet na mag-meet.
Okay. Sige. Ma'am Wex, sige, pumauna ka na, Ma'am Wex. Tapos sunod na lang si Ma'am Angel. Ang taga natin pronounces yan, Ma'am Wex. I'm really super sorry. Congratulations po. Let's second time to get the visa. Thank you so much po talaga sa continuous trust naman po talaga, Ma'am Weki. Ayan. I-regards nyo na lang po ako kay Ma'am Ange. Kay Ma'am Angel. Ayan po. So, yun. Kay Sir Mer, hello po sa inyo. Yung work permit na lang ni Sir Mer, ang hinihintay din namin sa renewal. Ayan, si Sir Russell, ask ko lang po paano na may mga DH dito sa Middle East. Kung sakali na umasa lang sa Drought Pinas at di pala rin. Sa VA doon, ano yung paraan na pag-refuse na sa Pinas? Sino na-refuse sa Pinas na DH? May na-refuse ba na Pinas sa DH? Na under ng ano? Okay. So, for KSA or for Middle East kasi, as of the moment, ano pa kayo, wala pa yung approval sa side ko. Pero, di ba sinabi ko sa live that I actually requested already for you guys as well. One at a time lang naman. Kasi mas malala talaga yung HK. So, that's why we have actually given it for HK po. So, and then of course, uunahin natin yung mga 2023 applicants po. So, yun lang naman talaga. HK, Singapore, and Malaysia. Yun yung inaayos na namin yung HK, then Singapore, Malaysia, and then next na yung Middle East. Kasi sa Middle East, kaya pa naman, baka mabunot pa naman kayo sa KSA, kasi kung sa KSA kayo mag-i-stamping, wala naman tayo kumbaga nabubunot naman kayo hindi naman siya issue. Ma'am Justine, wala pa silang message pero nag-follow up na kami for polo. So I think most probably tomorrow or on Monday po. Ay may hinihintay lang po siguro na isa pa. Hindi ko po kilala kung ano pong pangalan. Si Ma'am Pat. Si Ma'am Pats daw nag-message daw sa'yo. Patra. Ma'am Patra. Usin. Sir Jobs, normally po, work permit is issued within 3 to 4 months, maximum of 5 to 6 months po. Pero normally 3 to 4 months nalabas na siya. Ma'am, ask ko lang po kung anong work permit. Wala kaming Croatia, guys. Ayan, sige kaka-Croatia nyo. Oo, nagbigay po kami ng job slot sa iba, pero hindi po namin siya binibigay sa mga new applicants. It's only for existing applicants po, Croatia and Romania, Croatia and the other country po is for our existing clients lang po. Muna, and then we will release later on. Kay Ma'am Jennifer Sibayan, hi Ma'am Rob, nag-message na po si Ma'am Dayan sa akin about if ready na po akong pumasok sa draw. Please advise po kung ano mga needs sa draw sa HK. Big thanks po. So guys, sa draw sa HK po, you just need to give Dayan the client form. Make sure that all the information is correct. Pwede naman kayo mag-try. Actually, sa HK, nakakakuha din kami ng visa. Bakit ka nag-live, Miss Rob? Hindi, just kasi para to dun sa para dun sa isa, wala akong choice, kaya ako nag-live. Wala akong choice. Kailangan ko i-live to, my God, publicly. Kaya ako napa-live. Pero this live would be also removed, guys, ha? This live would also be removed after some time. So, this is only for, ano naman po. And tomorrow, may live din po si Justine tsaka si Mimi. Pero please lang, kasi kaya din ako nag-live today. Kasi alam ko na pag nag-live si Justine at tsaka si Mimi, ang mangyayari niyan, sila yung tatanungin nyo, wala silang alam doon. Kasi sa admin department lang yon. So, that's why I'm doing the live right now. Okay? So, ayun. Para safe lang sila mag-live tomorrow na baka mamaya mali din yung, hindi pa kasi namin talaga yung nai-inform sa lahat. It's not for everyone. The new programs that we are having right now is not yet for everyone talaga. But since nagkagulo kahapon, kahit wala akong choice kundi mag-public live, kasi yung iba wala naman dun sa main page na, dun sa group page. So, kailangan kong mag-live right now because of the panic messages talaga. But nevertheless, meron na kaming other options for the DH, so this is only for that, guys. So, other than that, bukas magla-live si Justine at saka si Mimi. So, sa mga bagong gustong mag-inquire, you can actually message them or you can actually do wait for their live. Most probably 4 PM po yun tomorrow. So, ayun. Pasensya na, Just, nawalan talaga ako ng choice. Ayan. So, yun po. Ayan, si Sir Kim Calien. Hi, Miss Rob. Hello, everyone. And to my beautiful consultant na mahaba ang pasensya sa katulad kong makulit. And by the way, guys, kaila Sir Kim and everyone who is actually requesting to join the group page, pwede naman. Kaso, super panic. Super daming magiging ikaka-stress nyo pa wherein may mga visa, magbe-visa stamping na kayo and everything. So for now, wag muna kayong pumasok doon sa group. Mag-visa stamping muna kayo, then tsaka kayo pumasok. Kay Ma'am Fanny, I'm waiting for your visa. I'm looking forward. Yun na lang yung pinagdadasal ko para win streak lahat ng clients ko this first week of May. So, balitaan mo talaga ako ng mabuting balita. Kay Just, okay lang. Sorry talaga, but this would be, magla-live sila tomorrow. This is only for the existing guys. Ayan. At the same time din po, of course, the process is the same naman. Para sa mag-cross country, the same naman. You guys just need to submit your passport, CV, or resume, and residence card. And then after that, of course, you can actually do the needful and wait for the approval of the employer. Ayan. Ma'am Lovely, may work permit ka na ba? Opo, positive lang. Correct. That's for real, Ma'am Fanny. Kasi, yun din naman yung pinaka-ano namin. Na magkaroon kayo lahat. Yun nga, waiting for the big news. Ano bang sige, it is straightforward na natin to. So, guys, actually, ganito yung mangyayari. Okay? So, basically, sa mga DH, alam ko na madaming magiging na naman sa other mga DH po, sinimulan namin, we actually got the job order for Romania po. So, we got the job order for Romania for also the car. Kaya din namin nakuha yung car parts and etc. Or yung car, is because this is interrelated with the Romania company. So we got the job order for Romania. We got 50 job slots from them for the same. And this is very easy kasi yung process ng work permit doon is 2 to 3 months lang. At the same time din po, mabilis lang din yung visa stamping kasi VFS Global lang siya. So it's not like Poland na may draw system when it comes to the appointment. But the thing is that we are not giving the slots right now to new applicants. We are giving it to the domestic helpers who are actually facing difficulties right now with their visa stamping. Okay? So, please lang po, wag nyo pong i-compare yung sarili nyo sa sitwasyon ng mga domestic helper kasi yung mga domestic helper po namin right now, they don't have a choice. They are stuck right now. They don't have other means to do the process. They cannot go also for the second option na meron kami. So, for you guys to get the visa, so, hindi nila kayang gawin yon unlike dito sa ginagawa namin for Poland. So, sa Poland kasi, kaya namin gawin yung mga bagay-bagay if you are not a domestic helper. But the thing is that, for the domestic helper, we actually gave the 50 slots to all the domestic helper who is having a valid NBI clearance and police clearance po. Croatia, we already gave 20 slots also to the existing applicants po so that they can also process instead yung Poland, instead of Poland, kasi nga sa mga domestic helper, it's already a dead end. They cannot get, they will not get, and we need to place them somewhere else so that they can go as well. So please do not please do not compare, please. Kasi yun yung mga isang bagay. Kasi normally, hindi ako live dito. Kasi dun ako nagla-live sa other page. But since hindi lahat nandun sa page na yon, nandun sa group page na yon, so nagla-live din ako sa FB. So you guys have the idea as well. But please do not compare yourself because yung DH talaga, kailangan nila yon. So that's why we have given the things to the DH po. Yung Romania job slots namin is for the DH as of the moment. Salary package po is 40 lei. Lei ba yun? Hold on for a sec. Yun, parang lu. Parang lu or lei. Parang ganon. So, it's actually 4,000 lu. And then, free accommodation din po siya. So, 4,000 lu is, hold on for a sec, let me just check. So, basically, medyo mas, ano siya, mas mababa onti sa Poland. Romania, So, yes. So, sa peso po, 49,000 pesos po. 49,000 pesos yung salary doon. So, medyo mas mababa siya compared pag sa Poland. Compared sa salary sa Poland. And then for Poland po, as I've said, we can do the needful for Poland. So you guys will be able to do the things. If you are not a domestic helper, guys, madali lang yung Poland. To be honest. Mas mataas pa yung, kung kukumparahin mo, mas okay pa yung sahod. So, if you guys are okay, if you guys are not domestic helper, hello kay Sir Jerry, kamusta po? Ayan. So, at the same time, kung okay po sa inyo, Sir Ariel, not yet. But sabi sa amin, nag-notify na daw sa kanila na lumabas na. So, anytime this month, we would get the work permits po. Don't worry, Sir Ariel. You would get it po. And then, of course, at the same time din po, so sa mga DH po, na no other means, kung hindi nyo kaya yung second option namin, please message Dayan so you can proceed for the same. And then, she would do the needful po. Pero hindi po pwede dito yung hindi domestic helper. Kung hindi ka domestic helper, hindi po talaga pwede. Kay Ma'am Ash, waiting for the big news. Ayan na yung big news, guys. And then, of course, pag natapos na namin yung mga existing, then of course, ibibigay naman namin yung mga bagong job slots namin. This is gonna be a new program for Romania. This is also part of Shenzhen. So, madaming namang magkakagusto dito for sure. I'm pretty sure about it. And malaki din yung companies na wino-work out namin. So, if ever po na matapos namin yung mga DH, so I think matatapos naman na namin. So we would be able to give you the new job slots later on. But, as of right now, Poland po talaga yung pinakamaano sa amin. At the end of the day, Poland po talaga yung controlled namin, and at least mataas yung success ratio pagdating sa visa. We can do anything, we can control the things po, and much more na mas namin, mas gamay talaga namin. Kumbaga, kahit na-refuse na isang lang, malalaman agad namin kung ano yung problema, and then most of them, on the second naman, nagkakaroon. Isipin nyo yun ha, sa 3-4 na nare-refuse sa amin in a month, and then i-a-appeal lang namin, nagkakaroon din naman sila. So, basically, talagang nasa around 96 to 98% ng clients namin, nagkaka-visa talaga for Poland. So, yun talaga yung namin. Kay Sir Kim, ikaw lang, Miss Rob Sapat na, thank you for the everlasting support. I know, magbi-visa stamping ka na ng July 7, focus ka lang doon, yes, and sa akin ka lang mag-focus muna. For the first batch po, wala pa, hindi pa lumalabas yung sa the rest, hindi pa nila hawak, pero yung sa 5, I think so, yes. Yung sa 5 na nauna. Ang job available po for Poland is actually the car parts manufacturing or cars distribution. So, ang salary package, etc. would be discussed later on tomorrow po. So, there would be another live tomorrow for the other consultants, guys. So, you can actually inquire at that time. Ayan. So, ganun pa din naman, we have the chocolate factory, we have the pharmaceutical warehouse, pero ito yung pinakamaganda namin right now, which is the car parts or car manufacturing po. So, yun. Yun yung maganda. 28.5 PLN per hour. At the same time, free yung accommodation. Yun talaga yung tinanong ko talaga, kahit yung mga, free daw yung accommodation. Parang, ang gastos nyo na sa bahay, nasa 250 PLN, ganun lang. So, goods talaga siya. And then, at the same time, maganda din yung company. Very, very big company. Pero I really suggest this for for men. Sa mga lalaki. Kung kaya ng babae, why not? Pero kasi ayoko kasi yung baka mamaya umiyak kayo doon kasi ang bigat ng trabaho eh. Alam nyo naman na car parts and cars eh. Pero yun talaga solid. Solid talaga. Even the visa. Kasi malaking company talaga yun sa Poland. Even if you searched it, talagang house sila for the motorcycles at saka mga cars. So, we actually got the contract from them. That's why we also got this contract from Romania. Kasi nila yun. Magka-interconnected sila. So, ayun. So, this job is very, very urgent. Only available for May. Starting May 6 hanggang end of May. If we fulfill the 20 slots, for sure, mapufulfill naman namin yung 20 slots. Madali lang yan kay Steadfast. Kung baga, ine-explain naman namin ng maayos kung paano yung procedure. So, if you guys are interested for that, sa mga bagong gusto mag-apply, so you just need to submit your documents, guys. That's the only thing you need to do first. Kasi kailangan din namin makita. And you should be able to speak in English, ganyan. Also, to be able to know how to use computers, ganon. That's why. Wala po kaming hairdressers and barbers po. No, if very recent lang kayo nag-apply, this is only for the 2023. Yung mga naghihintay pa ng matagal na. This is only for the 2023 applicants. The slots po is only for 2023 applicants. Hindi po pwede yung mga kaka-apply lang or yung nag-apply ng 2024 or December 2023. Yung mga nauna po, yung mga nasa na-stock ng mga July, August, yan, yung August 2023, yung mga natira na DH, sila po yung pinaka-priority right now. No need for experience, guys. As long as you are physically fit, you can actually do the application for the same. Basta physically fit na kayo. Ayan. So, ayun naman. Cars din. Yung work sa factory doon is cars din. Sa Romania, cars din po tayo. Full-time employment po yung contract po sa Poland, hindi po seasonal job. It's a full-time employment po. Sir Russell, hindi pa pwede kasi ano ka, Kuwait ka. So, hindi ko pwedeng hindi ko pwedeng ilagay. Nasa memo is HK Singapore at saka ano pa lang. HK Singapore, tsaka anong tawag dito? Malaysia. Yun pa lang yung pwede namin ilagay. Wala pang Middle East. Philippines, no. Fully book kami for PH po, guys. Ha? Fully book po kami ng PH. So, ang pwede lang po mag-apply muna is outside PH po kasi fully book na po kami sa Philippines. Ayan. So, again, guys, as I've said, uulitin ko lang ha kasi ito lang talaga yung ano ng nature ng live ko. Hindi na ako magla-live sa other page. This is for everyone's po. Everyone's information. So, sa mga gusto pong mag-go for Romania, just message Dayan, your NBI clearance and everything. Yun na po yung final. And then, at the same time din po, salary is 4,000 Romanian leu. And then, layer leu, I'm not sure kung paano yung nun. And then, 2 to 3 months lang yung process ng work permit. VFS Center po, meron. And then, that is only for DH, guys. This is not a new job for new applicants. This is only for existing applicants na DH po. And then, at the same time din po, Croatia, 20th batch, yung 5 candidates already, I think it will be given anytime soon by this week or next week maximum. And then, the remaining people, I would let you know immediately pag may nakuha kong ano. And then, what else? And then, for Poland, as I've said, kung hindi kayo DH, you would rather go to Poland instead kasi may other means naman kami for the visa stamping. We can do it very, very much well. We are getting the visas because proper documented talaga kami lahat. Alam naman ng karamihan yun. Even pag nakakakuha ng visa yung mga clients, I know that the other people were asking them kung saan sila nag-apply. So, very confident kami sa part na yon. As long as you guys are not domestic helpers, you would be able to get the visas. And onti lang naman din yung mga domestic helper namin. So, pag natapos namin to, then of course, we will release also future programs for you guys. So, at the same time din po, again, as I've said po, my WhatsApp number is not working anymore. So, I think it would be given, it would be fixed naman after some time. But I'm just telling you guys that it's not available anymore. And as of the moment, and then my new WhatsApp number is here for your reference and for perusal po. So, the link is attached below for reference. So, sa mga existing, lalo na pag bine-message nyo ko, hindi po gumagana yung isang WhatsApp. Okay? So, if for example po na minessage nyo ko, so the number is here for you guys. Number is here and the link is here po. And then guys, tomorrow sa mga bago, kung if for example po na gusto nyo pong malaman pa fully, kasi ako pag nagla-live ako, more about existing applicants and yung mga situation. Pero later on, yung mga magla-live po, yung mga bago, yung mga, kumbaga, bagong information about the new jobs or bagong mga applicants, ang panoorin nyo po yung sila Mimi, sila Justine later, tomorrow, para malaman nyo yung full details. Kasi eto, halo-halo to. So, that's why, guys, if you guys are interested to apply, you go for the live tomorrow. There is a scheduled live tomorrow, most probably 4 p.m. Dubai time or 5 p.m. Dubai time. So, abangan nyo yon para malaman nyo yung more information pa about the car parts and paano yung process. And then, existing kasi, madalas, eto, sa akin talagang live yun nakaabang yung mga existing. So, of course, hindi masyado mapansin yung mga request nyo and everything po. So, again, guys, thank you so much po for joining me in this live. Sir Argel Razon, no, we don't have Our polo po is finished. Our job order in Philippines is finished po. If we ever have anything in the future, we would let you know, Sir Argel. Don't worry po. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining me in this quick live. So gusto ko lang talaga inform kayo para at least maano po kayo for the same. Next release of the work permit will be anytime within this month. Of course, mag-a-announce naman kami agad. And of course, again, this live will be removed after some time because I have given information that is not supposed to be for public. But this will be removed after some time, and of course, just for your information only. So I hope everyone can share this live, and after some time, by tomorrow, most probably this would be already deleted. So again, guys, thank you so much for joining me. I'm looking forward po to be of further service to you, and of course, Steadfast as always have been there to be ready at all times. So for any questions and concerns, you know where to contact us. Again, thank you so much. Have a great day and God bless. Ingat po.